If you run a digital marketing agency and you are looking to find the hottest niches moving into 2022, this is the video that you need to be watching. And the reason you want to focus on one of these niches is so you can have a future-proofed business. These industries that I'm going to go over are things that I've sat on and I've really thought about whether I just want to completely start a new agency in all three of the different pockets that I'm going to talk about. So this is crucial information that you definitely want to gather. So stick around to the end of the video because honestly, the last one will blow you away. My name is Vic, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. And I make videos every single week about how you can achieve financial freedom. And in this episode, we want to be talking about the best niches to run a digital marketing agency because running a digital marketing agency can actually unlock a lot of freedom in your life, especially when you get recurring clients and you can build a team that handles a lot of the work. But specifically, we want to focus on working with one niche. And the reason we want to niche down like this is so we can be very, very specific with what we offer and simplify our entire business while also becoming very good at what we do. So our product and our service is worth even more. So what I want to go over are the top 3 niches in 2022. And like I mentioned in the intro, the last one is going to come out of left field. So definitely stick to the end. The first niche that I want to talk about is pretty traditional, but it definitely needs a facelift moving into 2022. And that is the restaurant niche. And you might be thinking, okay, restaurants have been around forever. What makes this niche so powerful right now? Well, majority of people are now ordering online. That's just how the world is operating. And the thing about ordering online is that 70% of consumers that order from a restaurant online would prefer that they're ordering directly with the restaurant. So the restaurant retains the money that they get from the order, because we all know of things like Skip the Dishes and Uber Eats that take massive marketing fees when you order through their app rather than calling the restaurant and ordering directly. Really, only 45% or so of these operators that run these restaurants have a proprietary ordering system on their website. Only 45%. That means that 55% of restaurant owners need a website that will manage orders from their customers online and deliver it to their staff in a very clean way. That's where you come in. This is a huge market because if you can get them in on that website level, there's lots of room to upsell them to ads, to social media content, email, text marketing, a lot of opportunities there. And this is actually a really easy sell because 60% of restaurant owners say that ordering online has incrementally grown their revenue. So restaurant niche moving into 2022 has massive opportunity to grow. Number 2 on my list of top 3 niches moving into 2022 for digital marketing is TikTok for e-commerce. Now, TikTok has just been blowing up over the last few years, and it allows users to grow their channels in the most unique way possible, where you can just go viral pretty much overnight. Now, why this works really well for e-commerce stores is because most e-commerce brands sell lower ticket items that are direct to consumer, and they're currently relying on Facebook ads or Google ads in order to get most of their traffic to their store. But what a lot of people don't know is that TikTok and Shopify have recently released a really powerful integration, which allows customers to order directly from your store through TikTok. It's a very powerful integration. And a lot of the ads tracking softwares, the third-party softwares like Hyros, are integrating TikTok into their platform because they know the ad side is getting really, really sophisticated. I was an early adapter for TikTok ads, and I've also used them recently. And the progress that TikTok ads has made over the past year has been immense, but also on the organic side, there's a lot of room to provide services for clients. The thing with TikTok is that it has currently over 1 billion active users, which is incredible. They surpassed Snapchat and they're on their way for Facebook and Instagram as well. And you have to think this is the most Gen Z platform. And these business owners who are, for the most part, pretty traditional, they're already catching up with Facebook. Now they have to catch up with TikTok. And this is a perfect opportunity for you to come in, show them the opportunity that lies right in front of them, and get them on a monthly retainer. You can offer organic services or paid ad services, but the e-commerce niche is who I would particularly focus on because of that direct to consumer and Shopify integration aspect. Now, guys, I'm going to jump to my number 3 top niche for 2022 in digital marketing. But if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. I drop 3 videos every single week on financial freedom, on business, crypto, finance. I'd love to have you here. So my third and probably the most badass niche out right now is Web3. What is Web3? Well, think of Web2 as the social media era and think of Web3 as the blockchain era. Worldwide spending in 2022 for blockchain solutions is estimated to be around $11.7 billion. And that number in the next 2 years is expected to grow to over $20 billion annually. Web3 right now is a total wild, wild west. There's projects doing anything they really want with very little regulation, and they're making tons and tons of money. The spending power of some of these companies is crazy, and Web3 clients can be some of the highest paying clients that you could ever bring into your agency. And if you're already into the crypto space, this could be some of the funnest work that you will ever do in digital marketing because you are literally on the cutting edge of a brand new industry. Now, these blockchain projects that you can be working on are things like altcoins with different utilities, cryptocurrency gaming projects that are trying to release a game, NFT projects. This is a company that's trying to mint and release a series or a collection of NFTs. Blockchain platforms, trading platforms, different crypto apps. There are tons of blockchain projects emerging every single day, and they still need to be marketed. They still need Web2 services like SEO, ads, content, branding, and Facebook just last week lifted the eternal ban of Web3 or crypto ads. You can now run cryptocurrency based ads on Facebook, which has never been a thing. So this is now an emerging industry or emerging niche for you to take advantage of because there is very, very little competition. And like I said, this could be some of the funnest work that you ever do. Guys, I gotta thank you so much for sticking and watching the entire video. I hope that you got some value from it. If you have not yet, hit the subscribe button. And if you're trying to find me on social media, these are my official handles. If I add you or DM you and it's not one of these, it is not me, it is a scammer. So watch out and be safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.